Fellas, if you're not using baking soda beyond just cooking, you're missing out. This simple white powder is a game changer for grooming, cleaning, and even fitness. Stick around because I'm about to share the best baking soda hacks that every man needs to know. Let's go. Let's start with personal care. Store-bought deodorants can contain harsh chemicals, but guess what? Baking soda can keep you smelling fresh all day. Just mix a little with water to form a paste and apply it under your arms. Boom! Instant odor control. Want a brighter smile? Baking soda is a natural teeth whitener. Mix it with a little water or hydrogen peroxide, brush gently and watch stains disappear over time. Just don't overdo it. 2 to 3 times a week is enough. Tired of razor burns and bumps after shaving? Mix baking soda with water, apply it to your skin, let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse. It soothes irritation and reduces redness instantly. Got stinky shoes? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Sprinkle baking soda inside your shoes and leave it overnight. By morning, no more odors. It absorbs all that sweat and bacteria. No time to shower. Baking soda works as an amazing dry shampoo. Just sprinkle a small amount on your scalp, rub it in and brush it out. It absorbs excess oil, leaving your hair fresh and clean. If you work on cars, bikes, or just get your hands dirty, baking soda is a powerful cleaner. Just mix it with a little water and rub it on your hands. It cuts through grease like magic. Had an intense workout? Add half a cup of baking soda to your bath. It helps reduce muscle soreness and speeds up recovery. Try it after leg day. You'll thank me later. Forget expensive mouthwash. A teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water makes a fantastic mouth rinse. It neutralizes bad breath and keeps your mouth feeling fresh. So there you have it. Baking soda isn't just for baking. These simple hacks can help you stay fresh, clean, and ready for anything. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome tips, and I'll see you in the next one.